What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can fix this current time indicator error, which is resetting to the start of the video every time you are playing your composition, and whatever you are trying, it's not playing from your current point. So I have an easy fix for this problem. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the video. It's very simple. You have to do one or two steps. The main step is to go to Windows, then preview. You can see this preview bar right here. You can click this if it's not selected in your After Effects. Then you can see this option right here, the preview option, which we just selected from the Windows. You have to check for this play from option, which is right here, and you can open this little arrow right here, and you can see in your After Effects it might be selected to the start of the range. You have to select current time instead of start of range, and then you can see it's fixed in my After Effects, and I have no problem in previewing my composition. If it's not fixed yet, you can go to edit, then purge, and then you can clear all your cache and restart the After Effects. This is the most effective solution I found for this, and you can now preview your composition without any problem. Thanks for watching.